It's not sharp pain. It's not a sudden illness. It's a heaviness in your legs that wasn't there before. Your fingers feel stiff, slower, as if something invisible is holding you back. Your heartbeat is there, quietly beating, but distant and weaker than usual. You sit up slowly, telling yourself, maybe it's just age, maybe it's another sluggish morning. But deep down, a quiet fear stirs. Is this how my body is going to feel from now on? For millions of seniors, this moment isn't sudden. It's subtle. Fatigue that won't lift, swelling in your ankles or legs, a shortness of breath creeping in when you least expect it. These aren't random discomforts. They're quiet warnings from deep inside your body. They mean your heart might be silently struggling, your blood sugar quietly rising, and your arteries beginning to narrow even if you can't see it yet. But here's the good news. The solution might already be sitting quietly in your kitchen. Imagine a simple, warm dish made from red onion, turmeric, and olive oil, ingredients that quietly but powerfully work to fight inflammation, stabilize your blood sugar, and protect your heart. No complicated diets, no expensive pills, just an easy-to-make recipe thousands of seniors are already using to reduce diabetes symptoms, clean out arteries, and strengthen their hearts. In this episode, I'll show you step-by-step how to make this healing dish. Plus, you'll discover 5 everyday foods already in your kitchen, transformed into powerful natural medicine for your heart.
Let's take a moment and think clearly about something important. If diabetes, heart disease, and fatigue are quietly taking away your energy and independence, what's allowing them to thrive? The surprising truth might be hidden right on your plate, or more precisely, missing from it. Long before modern medicine, long before doctors and prescriptions, our bodies were designed to heal naturally through the power of food. The right foods don't just nourish you, they actively repair and protect your heart, blood vessels, and metabolism. Over time, these simple foods quietly rewrite your health story, without side effects, without complications. So today, we're not chasing trendy diets or miracle supplements. Instead, we're returning to nature's simplicity, daily habits that strengthen your heart, stabilize your blood sugar, and boost your energy, starting from your very next meal. These 5 foods aren't rare or expensive. In fact, they're probably already in your kitchen, waiting to become your powerful allies against diabetes and heart disease. Let's rediscover them now. Oats, your morning shield. Imagine a breakfast that doesn't just fill you up, it actively defends your heart all morning long. That's the power of oats. Not sugary instant oats, but steel-cut or rolled oats, the ones that take just a few extra minutes to cook but offer long-lasting protection. Oats contain beta-glucan, a special fiber that gently sweeps dangerous LDL cholesterol from your body before it can clog your arteries. But oats don't stop there. Beta-glucan also stabilizes blood sugar, preventing the spikes that stress your pancreas and increase inflammation. Rich in unique antioxidants called avananthramides, oats calm inflammation in your arteries, boost blood flow, and lower your risk of heart attacks and strokes. Try this. Cook half a cup of steel-cut oats with unsweetened almond milk. Sprinkle in cinnamon, fresh blueberries, and crushed walnuts. This isn't just breakfast, it's your heart's best morning shield. Spinach and kale, blood pressure regulators. What if lowering your blood pressure could be as simple as eating your greens? Spinach and kale aren't just ordinary vegetables, they're powerful, natural blood pressure regulators. Spinach is rich in nitrates, which your body turns into nitric oxide, relaxing your blood vessels and lowering your blood pressure within hours. Kale provides magnesium, essential for steady heart rhythms and managing blood pressure. Both greens contain vitamin K,
preventing dangerous calcium buildup in your arteries, a common issue for seniors. Loaded with antioxidants, spinach and kale fight inflammation and protect your arteries daily. Try this. Add a handful of spinach to your eggs or a scoop of kale to soups and stews. It's simple, delicious, and heart protective. Blueberries, the blood sugar whisperer. Blueberries might look like a sweet treat, but they're actually powerful insulin whisperers. Rich in anthocyanins, blueberries naturally improve your body's insulin sensitivity, significantly reducing blood sugar spikes. These tiny fruits also protect your arteries, reducing inflammation and oxidative stress that stiffen blood vessels. Blueberries digest slowly, providing steady energy without harmful sugar crashes. Try this. Top your morning oats or yogurt with blueberries, or simply snack on them throughout the day. It's a delicious way to whisper good health into your body. Walnuts, armor for your heart. If your heart wore armor, it would look a lot like walnuts. Small but mighty, walnuts protect your heart daily by fighting inflammation, lowering cholesterol, and supporting healthy circulation. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids, walnuts actively reduce inflammation and protect against heart attacks and strokes. Magnesium-rich walnuts also stabilize heart rhythm and blood pressure, while their fiber content helps control cholesterol and blood sugar. Try this. Sprinkle walnuts over your oats, add them to salads, or eat a small handful after your daily walk. Walnuts are the quiet guardians of your heart. Red onion, the quiet healer. Red onion is quietly powerful, offering potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits through a flavonoid called quercetin. This humble vegetable calms inflamed blood vessels, reduces blood pressure, and keeps cholesterol balanced. When combined with olive oil, turmeric, and black pepper, red onion's healing power multiplies, creating a delicious tonic that thousands rely on to manage blood sugar, improve circulation, and regain energy. Try this. Sauté sliced red onions with turmeric, olive oil, and a pinch of black pepper. Serve warm with your meals or salads. It's not just food, it's gentle healing. Together, these 5 simple foods can quietly but powerfully rewrite your health story. No complicated diets, no pills, just daily habits that heal. Ready to transform your heart health? Let's move forward, one meal at a time. Now that we've discovered these powerful healing foods, it's time to introduce you to a simple, delicious dish that brings them all together: the onion tonic. This isn't a mysterious ancient remedy or the latest detox trend. Instead, it's a warm, comforting, and nourishing meal you can easily prepare right in your kitchen. It's a flavorful blend carefully chosen for its proven benefits in reducing inflammation, balancing blood sugar, and improving heart health. But it's more than just food. It's a daily habit, a quiet ritual, an effortless way to consistently support your heart. Here's exactly what you'll need. 1 red onion, thinly sliced. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon extra virgin olive oil. A pinch of black pepper. 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar. Here's why these ingredients are so powerful. Red onion delivers quercetin, a potent antioxidant that calms inflammation, reduces blood pressure, and regulates cholesterol. Turmeric provides curcumin, known for its strong anti-inflammatory effects. Paired with black pepper, curcumin's absorption increases dramatically, boosting its benefits. Extra virgin olive oil is loaded with heart-healthy fats and polyphenols that protect arteries and enhance the absorption of nutrients. Apple cider vinegar, though optional, helps stabilize blood sugar and aids digestion, further enhancing this tonic's overall benefits. Let's prepare this healing dish. Gently heat the olive oil in a small pan over low to medium heat. Add the sliced onion and sauté for 3 to 4 minutes until they soften and slightly caramelize. Stir in turmeric, black pepper, and vinegar, cooking gently for another 1 to 2 minutes to blend flavors and activate the healing compounds. Serve warm. Enjoy this dish alongside roasted vegetables, mixed into brown rice, added to fresh salads, or simply spread over whole grain toast. It's flexible, tasty, and effortlessly fits into your daily routine. Many who've added this onion tonic to their meals notice improvements in their energy, reduced swelling, better digestion, and stabilized blood sugar within just a week. Over time, the consistent anti-inflammatory effects can lead to lower blood pressure and fewer symptoms of heart stress. This recipe isn't designed to replace your medications or doctor's advice, but it can become a foundational part of your daily health strategy, quietly reinforcing your efforts and gently healing your body. Because true healing often isn't dramatic, it's subtle, nourishing, and comforting, exactly like this simple dish simmering gently on your stove. One onion, one habit, one healthier heart. Good nutrition from real, whole foods is your foundation for heart health. But as we age, even the healthiest diet might benefit from additional support. Why? Because our bodies naturally become less efficient at absorbing and producing certain key nutrients crucial for heart health. This is where targeted supplements step in, not to replace your diet, but to quietly reinforce it. Carefully selected supplements can fill nutritional gaps, boost your energy levels, support better circulation, and lower your risk of common heart issues. Here are 4 supplements often recommended by health experts specifically for seniors aiming to naturally protect their hearts. Coenzyme Q10 – boost your heart's energy. As we age, especially if you're on statin medication, your body produces less CoQ10, a crucial compound for heart energy. CoQ10 helps your heart muscle function efficiently, enhances blood circulation, and reduces oxidative stress. Many seniors who add CoQ10 notice clearer thinking, more stamina, and significantly less fatigue. Magnesium. Maintain your heart's rhythm. This vital mineral supports over 300 bodily functions, particularly heart health. Magnesium regulates heart rhythms, stabilizes blood pressure, and reduces the risk of vessel spasms. A deficiency can lead to silent heart attacks, irregular heartbeats, and increased stress hormones. Additionally, magnesium enhances insulin sensitivity, supporting both heart and blood sugar health. Omega-3 fatty acids fight inflammation naturally. Found in fish oil, flax seeds, and algae supplements, omega-3s are powerful anti-inflammatory agents. They lower triglyceride levels, improve circulation, and keep arteries flexible. Regular omega-3 supplementation can reduce arterial stiffness and enhance cognitive function, essential for protecting your heart and brain as you age. Important note: always consult your doctor before starting any new supplement, particularly if you're taking medications like blood thinners, statins, or diabetes treatments. Natural supplements can interact with your medications in unexpected ways, so professional guidance is crucial. Remember, supplements are there to reinforce your existing healthy habits, not replace them. But when chosen carefully, supplements become powerful allies, quietly and consistently strengthening your heart, helping you enjoy a healthier, more energetic life. Good nutrition from real, whole foods is your foundation for heart health. But as we age, even the healthiest diet might benefit from additional support. Why? Because our bodies naturally become less efficient at absorbing and producing certain key nutrients crucial for heart health. This is where targeted supplements step in, not to replace your diet, but to quietly reinforce it. Carefully selected supplements can fill nutritional gaps, boost your energy levels, support better circulation, and lower your risk of common heart issues. Here are 4 supplements often recommended by health experts specifically for seniors aiming to naturally protect their hearts. Coenzyme Q10. Boost your heart's energy. As we age, especially if you're on statin medication, your body produces less CoQ10, a crucial compound for heart energy. CoQ10 helps your heart muscle function efficiently, enhances blood circulation, and reduces oxidative stress. Many seniors who add CoQ10 notice clearer thinking, more stamina, and significantly less fatigue. Magnesium. Maintain your heart's rhythm. This vital mineral supports over 300 bodily functions, particularly heart health. Magnesium regulates heart rhythms, stabilizes blood pressure, and reduces the risk of vessel spasms. A deficiency can lead to silent heart attacks, irregular heartbeats, and increased stress hormones. Additionally, magnesium enhances insulin sensitivity, supporting both heart and blood sugar health. Omega-3 fatty acids fight inflammation naturally. Found in fish oil, flax seeds, and algae supplements, omega-3s are powerful anti-inflammatory agents. They lower triglyceride levels, improve circulation, and keep arteries flexible. Regular omega-3 supplementation can reduce arterial stiffness and enhance cognitive function, essential for protecting your heart and brain as you age. Important note: always consult your doctor before starting any new supplement, particularly if you're taking medications like blood thinners, statins, or diabetes treatments. Natural supplements can interact with your medications in unexpected ways, so professional guidance is crucial. Remember, supplements are there to reinforce your existing healthy habits, not replace them. But when chosen carefully, supplements become powerful allies, quietly and consistently strengthening your heart, helping you enjoy a healthier, more energetic life.
Here's what I want you to take with you today. Your age is never your fate. Reaching your 60s, 70s, or even your 80s doesn't mean that fatigue, swelling, memory fog, or unstable blood pressure are inevitable. These are not just normal parts of aging. In many cases, these signs can be reversed, and it all begins with what you choose to eat. You don't need endless medications to reclaim your health and vitality. What you truly need is knowledge, consistency, and the confidence that your body still knows exactly how to heal if you simply give it the right tools. Modern medicine is powerful and essential, but it often focuses on symptoms rather than causes. It temporarily quiets alarms without extinguishing the root cause. This is why so many seniors find themselves reliant on medications, yet still struggling with fatigue, brain fog, and lingering worry. But I want you to remember something vital. You are not powerless. You are not broken, and you are certainly not finished. Right now, in your kitchen, you have allies, foods that actively protect you, foods that fight inflammation, balance blood sugar, and strengthen circulation, foods that help you feel vibrant and alive again. Start with small, easy changes. Tomorrow morning, replace sugary cereals with heart-protective oats sprinkled with cinnamon. Add sautéed red onion to your lunch. One simple meal, one new habit, one small victory each day. Soon, you'll notice remarkable changes: more energy, clearer thinking, steadier blood pressure, and a renewed sense of purpose. You won't just be surviving, you'll truly be thriving. Thank you for taking the time to care for yourself today. Remember, you're not alone on this journey. Join us again tomorrow for part 2, where we'll explore even more delicious foods, powerful strategies, and natural methods to protect your heart, combat diabetes, and unlock the vibrant health you deserve. Until then, please take care of your heart, because it's taken care of you faithfully, every single beat, every single day.